about myself. I am happy when I eat fresh food, when I burst out laughing, when I discover a new song, when I finish a good book, when I wake up and feel relaxed. I am glad to have friends, family, a home, food when I am hungry, hot water when I shower. I love being able to live and see the seasons change, to have gifts at my birthday, to travel sometimes, to have a good education and great access to culture. I am flattered when people compliment me, when people smile at me, when people are polite to me. There are so many things that make life so simple and easy, and I will always think about them more than all the bad things that will happen to me. I do not have time to be sad every day and ungrateful. I have every reason in the world to be happy.